3 miles down the road is the Yalas River. Residents were forced to pay between $250 and $500 to cross, as transportation was restricted to either a heavy-duty vehicle or being lifted across.
Right now, nobody can cross it. The only who can understand it. Cross it. Nobody can cross it. It's only fisherman and a fisherwoman. Just me. Nobody can cross it. The only who can manage the water. It's only so them come over. Or if we around to help them. Nobody can swim. If you cannot swim, you cannot cross it. Nobody can cross it. If we around to hit them over. Fisherman can cross it, and a fisherwoman cross it. Cannot swim, just me.
You're going to St. Thomas.
One. Nobody can cross it. The only who understand it. Cross it. Nobody can cross it. It's only fisherman and a fisherwoman. Just me. Nobody can cross it. The only who can manage the water. It's only so them come over. Or if we around to help them.
Not all the vehicles
Can cross it.
This vehicle
Cannot cross it. We lock away in the wilderness. Nobody cross it. Yesterday, the bus was coming from town. A bus
This is what I have to
just
go
the mercy
to
of God. Why
go
bus
to
don't
work.
go over? The bus can't swim.
Cross the river.
Believe it or not.
The bus can't swim.
Don't try
Yesterday,
cross.
the bus was coming from town. The bus can't cross it. The last time, hurricane led up to bury up the top.
Which one you gonna do with me if you
The bus can't swim.
Nobody no for walk.
The bus can't
Yeah,
cross it.
that's what-
Nobody can cross it.
Eh?
The only
Which one
who
you
can
gonna do with me if you
understand it.
cross
Cross
the
it.
river? Look.
Nobody can cross it.
Look, hope I'm
It's only
in the
fisherman
now.
and a fisherwoman. Just me.
Hey,
Nobody
man,
can
let me
cross
watch
it.
right
The only who can manage the water. It's only so them come over. Or if we around to help them.
I'm very concerned.
Because nobody can cross it. Not even the kids them can go to school. Trust me. Because nobody can cross it. Fisherman and a fisherwoman can cross it like them. Understand it. Stand it. Cannot swim. Trust me. You're going to dead up. Nobody can cross it. The only who can understand it. Cross it. Nobody can cross it. It's only fisherman and a fisherwoman. Trust me. Nobody can cross it. The only who can manage the water.
What a man, Brave.
We around to help them. Nobody can cross
Watch it, people. River come down, you know.
The only who can swim. Cross it.
Can you cross it?
No, nobody can cross it.
Which is right?
Miserable.